Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to solve Facebook not opening. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your Facebook, click on it, you click on application, after which you simply click on what? Storage and cache. So guys, we are going to clean our cache. So after cleaning your cache, we'll clean the storage. So it's actually 0 because you actually cleaned it before. So after that, we are going to verify our Facebook again. So guys, this is our Facebook just open after cleaning our cache and our memory, our storage memory. So from there, you can now insert your Facebook password. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.